welcome back to Leila Land. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Right, so today, dead excited. A few weeks ago, I was writing down some video ideas and thought it would be cool if I followed along with some of the makeup tutorial videos that I love to watch, but didn't know whether the people in the original videos would find that a bit weird, if it was a bit odd to do. And then I think it was last week, CarmiMUA from Makeup Revolution, who's one of my favourite humans, tweeted that he wanted to do a video like that and who should he follow. So I tweeted and was like, shut up. That is exactly what I was saying about you and Tammy last week. Like, should I do a video? Didn't think anything of it. Went out with Paul, I think, that day. I think we were out and about doing something. Came home and had a tweet off Carmi saying, oh my God, do it. That would be epic. And also then Tammy jumped in and was like, yes, that would be so much fun. So that's what we're doing today. I am dead excited. So if you want to see how much of a hash I made of trying to follow one of my favourite makeup tutorials, then keep watching.
Hi babies and welcome to the Revolution channel. My name is CarmiMUA and in today's video we are gonna focus on our beautiful eyes and we are going to create an autumn winter kind of inspired look. I feel like it's literally already the middle of November and soon it's gonna be December, then it's Christmas, then it's 2018. Oh my god, we are
already
aging. Oh
is.
my god, I need to start to like try to create technique to just make my skin look smoother than ever because
Me too.
wrinkles
Let's do it
are
together.
appearing everywhere. So let's talk about what we're doing today. I have over here one of my favorite palettes. You guys know you always ask me, and since the Flawless 4 has launched, it's been my favorite Flawless. I feel like there are so many amazing shades like pinks, warm tone, golds. There is that beautiful shimmery white. I really like this palette. It's probably like my go-to Flawless. So I was thinking, why not go in today and create a gorgeous, very easy look, because why not? So I'm gonna go.
Right. Soz Carmi love. He's already done his face. Wait. Okay, let's go.
Straight away in, and let me take one of my favorite big fluffy brushes from Revolution.
Okay, wait. Fluffy brush. God, these are so filthy. Does anybody else get like brush shame? Like you don't think you're that bad, but then you come to use your brushes and think, wow, these need cleaning. Just me. Okay, got my fluffy brush, got my palette, let's go!
And I think I'm gonna go in with the shade over here that I believe is called Ouch. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna start to smoke it into my crease. We're now gonna deepen up our crease with the shade Hold Me. There is the one just next to her. It's a little bit more brown and a little bit more warmer tone. And I'm gonna start to press this one very close to my eyelid, especially to the outside, and then very lightly blend it into my crease. But I wanna keep most of the product on down, like very close to my lash line.
Does this look anything like what I'm supposed to be doing, people?
For the rest of my eyes, I'm using the shade Dahlia. There is this beautiful matte cream shade, and what I'm doing on a clean brush, I'm first paint it in, and then what I'll do, I take back the first brush I would use, and I just blend the edges together so that it looks much more softer, and you can really see how nice it looks. So let's carry on and looking beautiful.
So beautiful. Okay, so I need a new brush. New brush, please. Does this look about right? I think this looks about right. Okay, so it's this one, I believe. Like, is it me or is this just not standing out on me the way it does on Carmi? I mean, maybe I'll try a different brush, bear with. Right, I'm gonna try this one instead. So let's see if that helps any. Yeah, that's actually loading up the product a lot better. I still don't think it's as like stand out as Carmi's, but let's keep going. There we go, it's starting to build up now. Yeah, the brush makes a hell of a lot of a difference. And see, this is why I love YouTube videos, because I would kind of historically buy makeup products. You'd kind of see it on an advert, or you'd see somebody who'd used it and think they'll look really good, or you'd see it in the packaging and think it looked really good, get it home and kind of use it as far as you are aware of using it. The tools make a lot of difference. So this is where I love YouTube, because you can see the products they're using. If you've not got exactly the same brush, you've got a similar brush, you've got a similar type of brush, like then I could kind of pick a brush up and think, yeah, that works, but it's not quite doing the same thing. So then you can kind of look, and because I'm a very visual person, like I like to see things being done, and I kind of like to watch first and see something being done, and then I will do it, and I'll feel happy at doing that. So to be able to see the brushes that these people are using, it makes a hell of a lot of difference for me. Because then you're not just gonna get disheartened, are you? Okay, so then what were we saying? Use the other, go back to the original brush and blend. Oh, elixir! Oh, right, let's continue because I'm missing Carmi. Oh, Carmi, you're making my eyes look so pretty.
So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna keep it a little bit more classy. So of course, black pencil in my waterline is probably like one of my must. Really rarely I will go out without a black pencil. Don't ask me why, it's always been my thing. I feel like it keeps the look very, very interesting. And then of course, a little bit of Viper mascara and get my lashes big and long. And definitely curved, like
I don't have the Viper one, but I've got these two. So I've got the Makeup Revolution Autumn Lash and the Makeup Revolution Amazing Volume. Herb. I'm gonna go Amazing Volume because I do like a volume blush. Right, waterline first. This I actually got from the Halloween party last year, the Makeup Revolution Halloween party. In the incredibly generous gift bags that we were given. Right, so Carmi's already done his lips. Let me do mine. Think I need a bit of blush on. I don't know. I'm not digging blush at the minute for some reason. I've kind of going down the more bit of a glow, lot of a highlight is where I'm at the minute. So let me just do my blusher. And for a change, Makeup Revolution, the Sugar and Spice palette, and I think I'm just gonna stick with, which one is it that I'm using? This one is my favorite at the moment. Oh, but then, we all know what I've been loving. I'm obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. Like I told you all, this year was going to be the year of highlighter for me, and I've got so many highlighters now, and I'm still just obsessed with this one, so bear with. Yeah, sorry, Carmi. I know that was meant to be like a proper following. What's this situation? But I just needed my highlighter. So, oh, you need sharpening, bear with. So while I sharpen this, I want to wear my Chauffeur lipstick from Makeup Revolution, which I pretty much wear every day with the highlighter. But it is very, very nude on me, and I just want it to be a little bit deeper like Carmi's is there. So I'm just going to put the Worth It lip liner underneath just to give it a little bit of depth, but not a whole dark load of it. Oh my god, I love that with that lip liner underneath it. It reminds me of, was it a Rimmel one that we all used to use in the 90s? Heather Shimmer and what was the other one? Was it Coffee Shimmer and Heather Shimmer or something? It reminds me of that. I love it.
And here we baby, so the look is complete. I definitely have to say it was a 5-minute tutorial that I personally really enjoyed it, and you guys are really liking my 5 minutes tutorial, and I really want to thank you for that because it feels absolutely amazing. The love that you guys give me is priceless. So make sure babies that if you like this video, if you like me, if you like Makeup Revolution, you give us a good thumbs up, you stay subscribed, you leave us comment down below. I will definitely come and check it out, and make sure that if you guys are creating any of this look, you tag us on Makeup Revolution on my personal social media because I really want to see your beautiful face. And always remember, like if you like, hate if you hate, and until next time, you're welcome.
Oh, I love watching Carmi so much. He's so cute. He's so cute. I really enjoyed following that as well. It's super simple, but it actually gives such a lot of depth to the eyes. Like, I don't know if you can see it properly. I don't know if it's coming across properly on camera, but in person, it gives such a lot of depth to the eyes. I really like it. I'll probably put a bit of a darker or a bit of a deeper or pop of colour of lipstick on just to brighten it up. I think obviously it goes with my hair as well. So yeah, I really like that one. I've got a ton more makeup videos to follow from Carmi, from Tammy, and from Soph, all from Makeup Revolution, obviously, because let's face it, I mean, they're the ones that I enjoy the most, and they're the ones that I've got the most products of. I mean, talk about brand loyalty. It's pretty much It's pretty much starting to look like a Makeup Revolution store in here. It's getting a bit ridiculous. So yeah, so I've got lots more of these coming up. I really enjoyed following that on camera as well. So yeah, I really like it. If you've liked this one, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, we've got a massive giveaway coming. I've also got something up my sleeve, which is a little bit messy for you. So yeah, go and get to 1,000 subscribers, and the sooner we get there, the sooner you can find out what that is. And until next time, take care of yourself. Bye!